Hello, my dear fellow day traders. Welcome to 1st Feb 2019's pre-open analysis. Today, SGX Nifty is showing 44 points up move at the level of 10,899.5. US markets have done pretty okay for itself. 15 points down on DowJones and 8 points up on Nasdaq, and S&P up by 23.05 points. So seeing the cues from US markets and SGX Nifty, Indian markets will open in green in today's open and pre-open session. Yesterday there was a huge up move in the market. Indian markets went all the way from the level of 10,672 levels till the level of 10,831 levels. See the difference where the market ended yesterday. So the market was in an upswing from that time onwards. The market went all the way around and it went to the level of 10,831 and closed. Yesterday's up move triggered as almost about 130 points profit in options. So that's the profit we had in yesterday's session. That's with just one trend trade, right? Okay, so let's see what are the supports and resistances the market has to watch. Today is the day of budget, and there will be huge upswings and downswings as the budget goes on. So it is good that the normal traders stay away from the market, because normal trades are not going to be placed today. There will be huge trades, upturn or downturn. That's the reason I have created a credit spread that would make me money if the market goes up or down, does not matter. So that's how the hedging works. So it makes us money on any direction of the market, which is the non-directional trading strategy, which I'll be teaching tomorrow and day after tomorrow in 91 Springboards, Residency Road, and go to webinar. If you want to enroll, click on the first link in the description below. Today's supports and resistances. The support is obviously a lot of supports today. The level of 10,800 and 10,807, 10,800, 10,781 level, 10,774 level, 10,750, 10,707, 10,700, 10,672 are the levels of support we have to watch out for. What are the resistances? The first resistance comes at 10,842, which is the 200-day moving average, and above that the level of 10,850, 10,880 level is very strong resistance. If that is barred, 10,900, 10,926, 10,936, and of course 11,000 are the levels of resistances the market has to watch. If 11,000 is barred, then the level of 11,081 and 11,171 are the levels of resistances the market has to watch in today's and upcoming sessions. Fast stochastic and slow stochastic. See the drastic move in fast stochastic. There was a huge downturn yesterday, and yesterday the fast stochastic was at the level of 18, and today the fast stochastic is moving to the level of 61. So in one day there was a huge up move in the market, which triggered this in fast stochastic. And the slow stochastic is still at the level of 21, which means that we have just come out of the oversold zone. We have lots of up move yet to happen. So the MACD is suggesting there is a slight momentum boost in the market, and MACD is at 10.9 and it is positive. 8.65 is the exponential, so it is kind of positive, and the MACD is suggesting a momentum in the market. So that is the technical knowledge for today, guys. If you want all this technical knowledge for yourself and make money on a regular basis, monthly 3 to 15%. Click on the first link in the description below. Tomorrow and after tomorrow there is a session happening in 91 Springboards, Residency Road. If you like this video, give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video for all the knowledge needies. This is Ashok Kumar signing off, people. Happy trading and happy money making.
And now I know